Hello and welcome to the Expend family. My name's Sanjay. I'm going to take you through the platform and just show you how things work. So when you log in, you'll be greeted by this page. You've got things like the float account balance, which are for your Expend cards, the expenses awaiting review, and unpaid out-of-pocket expense claims. This will make more sense as we go through the platform. You've also got the Expend Assistant. This uses the latest technology telling you what you need to do in order to keep your account up to date. And then also, anything new and exciting working will appear here. As well as that, if you're part of a group or you're part of more than one organisation, you'll be able to view the different organisations that you're part of in this top right hand side. If you're an accountant, you could also manage your clients over there. So, starting off in the cards section, this is where you can view your Expend cards. You can see things like your float account balance, you can see the cards that you have on your account. As well as that, you can go ahead and tweak spending policies and card security settings. Welcome to the Card Connect section, where you can add your Visa Business Banking card to our platform. We will be releasing with MasterCard very soon. What this allows you to do is link your card to Expend, and when you make any purchases with your Visa card, the transaction information will pre-populate automatically for you in Expend. Unlike our competitors, this happens in real time rather than having to wait 24 to 48 hours for the transaction information to come through. If you're an admin, you'll be able to review expenses over here. You can view expenses awaiting review. You can see all the approved expenses. As well as that, you can track transactions with receipts and without receipts. You can filter it by the type of transaction, you can filter it by member, and you can also filter it by team. A user can click on one of these expenses and approve them, where this syncs with your accounting software of your choice automatically. You've also got the option to reject, request changes, and leave a comment. In the settings, you can set up alerts for your float account. You can set up alerts for your users so you don't have to do any manual receipt chasing. You can view things like your bill. You can have a look at the categories. You can sync this with your accounting provider. Integrations, so we have a direct integration with Xero in QuickBooks. We sync with any other accounting provider via CSV. This is the members section. There's three types of members: the admin, the financial reviewer, and the member. We've also got tax types. So if you're doing transactions with different types of tax, we can go ahead and manage that for you. Tracking groups, so if you already have custom tracking groups set up in your accounting software, you can go ahead and tweak those here, or you can even import them in. Document scanner emails, so this is for your regular invoices. If you've got regular invoices, you can go ahead and email them in, so you don't have to manually download them and upload them anymore. Team management, so we offer a team management functionality, so if you need to put your users into teams or have custom approval processes, we can tweak those for you in there. Then you've also got your company security as well. So this is, again, enrolling users into the multi-factor. Reporting, so you can have some high-level insights over here. You can also see reports and a breakdown of reports over here. And you can do a full CSV export of your transactions. If you're stuck on something, 9 times out of 10, there's already an answer for it here. We've also got live chat that's available throughout the app and throughout the platform, where you will get through to a real human. So we really pride ourselves on a human-first approach. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.